The Citroën C4 Picasso II from 2013 to 2018 includes cruise control and speed limiter systems to help you maintain speed or limit your maximum speed. These features are controlled through a stalk located on the left side of the steering column. Cruise control maintains a constant speed you set, helping reduce fatigue on long drives. The speed limiter prevents you from exceeding a maximum speed you choose for safety and fuel efficiency. You'll see these controls on the dashboard interface as well. This video will show you how to enable and disable cruise control, set up the speed limiter, and troubleshoot common issues. To activate cruise control, first press the cruise button on the stalk. Then accelerate to your desired speed, minimum 30 km per hour or 20 miles per hour. Press the Set or Set Plus button to lock in the speed. The car will then maintain this speed automatically. To disengage cruise control, press the brake pedal or the cruise off button on the steering stalk. You can temporarily override the system by pressing the accelerator pedal. The cruise control will resume the set speed once you release the pedal. Always disengage cruise control in poor driving conditions to maintain full control of your vehicle. To use the speed limiter, first toggle to limiter mode using the limit button on the stalk. Then set your desired maximum speed using the Set Minus or Set Plus buttons. The car will not exceed this speed limit, though you can still accelerate below it if needed. To completely disable the speed limiter, press the Cruise Off button. This will deactivate the system, allowing you to accelerate freely without any speed restrictions. If the buttons on the stalk fail to respond, it may indicate wear and tear. Replacement of the stalk might be necessary, involving removal of the steering column shroud. Consider consulting a mechanic, user forums, or YouTube tutorials for guidance. Cruise control and speed limiter are driver assist features, not autonomous systems. They help maintain speed, but require the driver to stay alert. Always remain vigilant and prepared to take control of the vehicle. The system does not detect obstacles or handle emergency situations. Regularly check the system's functionality to ensure safety. Test the buttons and verify speed settings before use. Remember, even with these features active, continuously monitor your speed and surroundings for safe driving. The Citroën C4 Picasso II from 2013 to 2018 comes equipped with a basic cruise control system. This traditional setup maintains a constant speed once set, but it doesn't include advanced features like automatic distance adjustment. In contrast, modern vehicles feature adaptive cruise control, or ACC. This system not only maintains your set speed, but also uses radar sensors to automatically adjust speed and maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. As automotive technology continues to evolve with electrification and increased automation, traditional cruise control systems like those in the C4 Picasso may eventually become obsolete. However, understanding how these basic systems work is still crucial for maintaining and safely operating older vehicles.